Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. The Lahore Museum. A museum is a building or a place where objects of artistic, cultural, historical, or scientific importance are kept and displayed. The Lahore Museum is located at the Mall Road near the famous Anarkali Bazaar. It is the largest museum in Pakistan. The building of museum is made of red bricks and blends the old tradition of Mughal architecture. The artwork and other objects of historical value are displayed in an impressive style. The in charge of the museum is called the curator. There are smartly kept glass cases in which ancient swords, daggers, garments of the ancient kings, ornaments, coins, bows and arrows, and clay and metal pots are displayed. A brief description of each article is given below on a small carved sheet of steel. There is an old priceless manuscript of the Holy Quran. There is also a clay model of Queen Victoria. A section displays the Pakistan movement through pictures. The Lahore Museum gives us a lot of information and insight about our glorious past.